Hello class, it's me, Guy White. I just want to give a shout out to the guy sitting up in the front. Hey, how are you? Alright, cool. So we're going to talk about critical thinking skills. What's included in critical thinking skills, how to apply critical thinking skills, and just know about critical thinking skills. So the first step in this cycle of critical thinking skills is just to be able to use reasoning. You have to be able to reason between what to do, what not to do, what to choose, what not to choose. Just use your reasoning and your own instinct or discretion, you could say. And from reasoning, you move to evaluating. You need to evaluate the situation, the possibilities, I guess you could say. And by evaluating, you're going to move on to problem solving. You have to be able to solve the problem. So, are you going to choose option A, option B, option C? That's where your problem solving comes in, and you have to think of possible solutions. From problem solving, you're going to move on to decision making. And so, again, you're going to decide, am I going to go with option A, option B, option C? And of course, it's going to depend on your situation. It's going to be situational. So hopefully, with your problem solving skills, you can apply it to your decision making and make the most appropriate decision based on your circumstances.
Can we have your attention, please? Staff,
there's an announcement.
Put your recycling out, and we need Reese Holton in the office. Thank you.
Okay. From decision making, you're going to analyze. You're going to analyze your decision. Was your decision the appropriate decision, and did it fit your circumstances? Hopefully, when you're analyzing, your decision fit what you were trying to solve, and then you redo the whole cycle over and over, and that's critical thinking. We want to use critical thinking skills because we don't want to have to be dependent on others. We want to be independent. We want to empower ourselves to be able to think critically and solve our own issues. Because, as Jeff mentioned, when he received his job, 20 years ago, that his boss on the first day said, if you cannot solve your own issue, you're useless to me. Something along those lines. So we ourselves don't want to be useless or dependent on others. So we do need to practice these skills of reasoning, evaluating, problem solving, decision making, and analyzing. And repeat those steps over and over because critical thinking is an ongoing process. Or we can look kind of foolish like this guy. Although he is a handsome fella, he looks kind of foolish. Anyone can put their hand on their chin. But it's up to us to empower ourselves with critical thinking skills.